Hey guys, I wanted to drop this little video for you. I'm currently in the first day of a 3-day fast. I have not taken my Alpha Brain. I'm not taking any vitamins. I'm literally just basically drinking like a pot of coffee and drinking a lot of water. So far, so good. Um, I've been doing fast for a long time, and I know that after about 24 hours, my brain just clears right out. I feel less bloated. Things start to perform a lot better. Then on day two, I feel super great. And then on day three, I start to get hungry right around supper time. So we'll see what happens. This is more of like a video log of what I'm doing. Now, here's what I would ask you to do. If you guys fast, do me a favor. Put something down in the comments, how long you fast, the things that you do eat or don't eat that are 0 calorie. Because basically once you put something in your body that has calories in it, your fast is over with, whether you like it or not. And so you have to be really careful when you do it. I'm very interested to hear what you guys think about fasting. And one of the reasons that I'm doing it is not just because I gained 10 pounds in the last 10 days, which was astronomically stupid, but I mean, it is Thanksgiving, lots of stuff, pies and stuff are being baked and all over the place. But we need to we need to start eating less. Here in America, we just eat way too much food. Um, Everything from even the fast food. My local restaurant, that they just serve these giant plates of food, and to sit down and eat it is not a problem. To a large pizza is now actually the size of a medium pizza, and some guys can sit down and eat the whole pizza. So we need to eat less. We need to make sure that the food that we are putting in our body actually has high protein, reasonable set of calories. I'm no dietitian, but even I know what's bad and what's good, and everything in moderation. Okay, so I'm going to do one of these every day. I'll probably push it out in the evening, so you guys can keep track of that. Maybe something you can think about. If you're looking at losing some weight, fasting is the easiest way to do it. It's also one of the most healthiest ways to do it. In the end, remember that that's where the term break fast comes from, to break the fast. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. All right, guys, until the next time, stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. If you want to support the channel, down below, and we'll see you tomorrow in some kind of video someplace. Bye-bye.